Hey guys, welcome back from spring break. How did it go? I hope you had a wonderful time and that you were able to celebrate a little bit of Easter time. I'm going to put out a Flipgrid. This week I'm going to put out two Flipgrids. One is going to be on what did you do during your break. So maybe you can show me what you did during the break and I will show you what I did during the break. And then the other one is going to be you reading to me. So that one's a really important one. The spring break one, that's for funsies, but the one about you reading, you have to do. Because if I don't see your work, then I don't know if you're doing the work. And if I don't see how you're reading and how you're writing, oh, Mrs. Rodriguez is going to be really concerned and worried that you're not learning. And we're all supposed to be learning. I'm working hard to teach you, and you have to work hard in showing me how you are learning. All right, so let's start out with calendar. Are you ready? All right, so today is capital T O D A Y. Today is IS. Monday we still weren't here, so today is Tuesday. Capital T. Let me make that nicer. U E S D A Y, comma, and we're in the month of April. And now, do you see the raindrops? Because they do say April showers bring May flowers. How about all that rain that happened last week? Weren't we lucky to be indoors and not out there? I wonder if some of you got to see some thunder, hear thunder, see lightning, a lot of rain. I didn't see any hail though, but I did get to see a lot of rain, and we got to stay indoors. That was really nice, right? Let's see. Today is Tuesday, April, capital A P R I L. April, and today's April 14th, comma, 2020. The short date is for the month of April is the fourth month, dash 14 dash 2020. All right, cool. Let's see. So we've got a lot to learn this week. The most important thing is about the I'd word family and reading. So in a video, I showed you how I read this. So please read that, okay? So I want you to go to Inside the Wonders website. You'll go in there and you'll see this, but you'll start out with this one. How do you do that? You go in, you push read, and then you look for the one that says we can play, and then push the, oh, thank you. And we push the arrows back so that it can go back one and back another, and then you start there. So I want you to read Inside the Wonders Connect Ed website, and I do this with you. So there's a video that you can watch that I've done this with you. Or you can also go to the Connect Ed and read it there. So I want you to do that, okay? Then I have another video that shows you all of these words. We review the words and these words, okay? So I want you to watch that video too. And I want you to write 5 words inside your science journal, okay? Inside the journal that looks like this, I want you to do that one, okay? So I don't have any writing for today because I want you to get started, get the wheels turning, okay? And then I want you to watch a video that's on 2D shapes. 2D shapes, that's 2-dimensional shapes. Those are flat shapes. And so I already had taught you about flat shapes, about corners and sides. So I want you to watch that again. And I want you to go to My Math, your skinny math book. And I want you to go to pages 641. 641, and it's about hexagons. Hexagons. So I want you to do this page 641, 642 talks about vertices, and 643, these 2 pages, okay? Then I also want you to do Lexia for 15 minutes and ST Math for 15 minutes. And then I have one dance video that I want you to do for PE, just for fun. And I want you to ask your parents if they can watch the video on the Flipgrid tutorial on making sure that you guys are doing your Flipgrids, because I don't have everybody's Flipgrids. And to tell you the truth, I have to say that we're probably not going to go back to Cabrillo for kindergarten. So you and I will continue to do our work just through video until the end of the school year. That's really big news. It's really kind of sad news. Not kind of, it really is sad news, because that means that I don't get to hug you. I don't get to see you. we don't get to work together. So the only way that I can see that you're learning is if you do those Flipgrid videos. Now, what does it mean that you have to stay at home until the end of the school year? Well, today is day 138. 138. That's how many days we have been in school. And we have to get all the way to day 180. Friends, that's a long time. We still have, I wonder if you know how many days we still have left to get from 138 to 180. I'm going to leave that up to you to see if you can answer me. Do you know how long it's going to take to get from 138 to 180? How many more school days? When we get to day 180, that's the last day of kindergarten. And then we'll have what is called summer break. Just kind of like spring break, but it'll be in the summer and there's no school. So if this situation with the coronavirus wouldn't be happening, we would be in school, right? We didn't know this big problem it was going to happen, and hopefully it'll never, ever, ever happen again in your entire life. But it has happened, and we have to kind of be calm. We have to work together. We have to be good citizens, and we will try to stay healthy, because your parents are worried about your health and your grandparents' health and everybody's health. So it's important that we stay together and we stay learning, because we cannot just stop learning. So right now, I want you to continue to do the work that I'm asking you to do. If you need my help, if you need a phone call from me, ask your parents. Say, I need a phone call with my teacher. Ask them what you need, okay? So that I can be there for you. Also, it means that during vacation, you don't have to do a lot of schoolwork anymore, and I won't be doing videos, and we won't be back to Cabrillo until you are first graders. Yeah, that's gonna be a long while. We still have a long while before that happens. So right now it's still school, 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 April school, May school, June school, July, no school. August, no school. Until the end of August, you'll go to first grade. Let me say that again. April, you're in school. All of May, all the days in May, you are in school. Most of the days in June, you are in school. In July, you will not go to school because you will not have school. I will not be teaching you through the video. And most of August, that's gonna be called summer vacation. Then you'll come back to Cabrillo when you're really already a first grader. So will you come back to my classroom? Probably not. You will probably not come back to my classroom. But it doesn't mean that I won't ever see you again, okay? I promise. It doesn't mean that I won't ever see you again. It just means that you won't be in my classroom, but don't worry, I will call you back for a special date. When will that be? It's gonna be a long time from now. It'll be probably in September, April, May, June, July, August, all the way to September. So it'll be a long time, but we will be together again, okay? So that's all I have to tell you. I'm sorry about the news that I have to tell you. And I'll think about a book that maybe we can read together. All right, so please answer your Flipgrids now about spring break. I really want to know what you did during spring break, or anything you want to talk to me about. It's okay, I want to hear you. I love listening to your videos during spring break. I listened to some of the videos and I would just laugh and laugh and laugh. They were my favorite. I loved them. All right, so I miss you very much, okay? And I'm so thankful that you know me and that I know you, because I feel like when you talk to me on the video, like you're really talking to me. I really feel special when you say, hi, Mrs. Rodriguez, today I'm gonna show you this. Or, hey, Mrs. Rodriguez, oh, it makes me feel so good inside, because I know that I know you and that you know me and that we know each other, all right? Like all of our friends, we know each other, so everyone can watch our videos, all right? Lastly, don't forget to watch my video. Let's see, how long have I been videoing right now? Well, I'll show it to you tomorrow in tomorrow's video, okay? One thing at a time. Today I needed to share that sad news. Tomorrow I'll show you the video that it's called Cabrillo's Got Talent. It's a Flipgrid where it has Cabrillo's talent, and I'm not sure if you've seen it, so I'll show it to you tomorrow, all right? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana, okay? Adios, amigos. Adios, amigos. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista. Until we meet again. Until we meet again. That was very tiring on my throat. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.